Hello everyone. Today we start chapter 8. This is sewerage system. So before entering to this chapter, let us discuss first what is sewerage system. So sewerage is the infrastructure that conveys sewage or surface runoff using different sewers. It consists of different components such as receiving drains, manholes, pumping stations, storm overflows and screening chambers of the combined sewer or sanitary sewer. So, sewerage ends at the entry to a sewage treatment plant or at the point of discharge into the environment. So, it is the system of pipes, chambers, manholes, etc. that conveys the sewage or storm water. This is the outline of this chapter. So, first, types of water carriage system or sewerage system. In this modern water carriage sewerage system, not only helps in removing the domestic and industrial wastewaters, but also helps in removing stormwater drainage. The runoff resulting from the storms is also sometimes carried through the sewers of the sewerage system, or more generally is carried through separate set of drains directly discharging their drainage waters into a body of water such as a lake or river or sea which is nearer to this point. So, the total sewerage system is divided into three types such as separate system, combined system and the third one is partially separate system. So, first one, separate system. When the drainage and sewage are taken independently of each other through two different sets of conduits, it is called a separate system. And in this system, two sets of sewers are laid, one for carrying sewage and another for carrying storm water. And the sewage is carried to the plant for treatment. The storm water is carried directly to river or stream. So, this is the separate system which is clearly shown in this figure. This is the sanitary sewer which is shown in number 1, and this one which carries the storm water which is directly discharged to the river or lake which is nearer to this point. And these are the sanitary sewers which are collected through different conduits, and then they combinedly disposed to this wastewater treatment plant. After treatment, they are again disposed to this river or sea or lake. So, this is the total separate system. Some advantages of separate system. Here load is less, natural water is not polluted, the sewer are small, the storm water is discharged without treatment, and the major thing or major advantage is this system is economical. Then some disadvantages. The cleaning of sewer is difficult and also the maintenance cost of this system is high. So, these are some disadvantages of this system. Then number 2, combined system. So, when the drainage is taken along with sewage, it is called a combined system. And in this system, one sewer is laid, it is both for sewage and for storm water. It is carried to treatment plant. When both sanitary sewage and storm water are carried in a single sewer, it is called combined sewer system, and this also clearly shown in this figure. These are the domestic sewage which are collected from different or separate conduits to a main conduits or drain line or sewer line, and this is the storm water which is collected here, and both the storm water and domestic sewers are collected in the same sewer line, and both are transferred to the treatment plants, then again discharged to this nearer river or lake or sea. So this is the combined system. Advantages of combined system: it is easy to clean as the sewer size is large. Also, the maintenance cost of this system is reasonable. Here the stormwater refuses the strength of sewage by dilution, and also this system is economical. Again, disadvantages: due to heavy storm, the sewer may be overflow, or there is chances of overflow of the sewage. If it is not properly designed, it gets silted and it became foul in dry weather. The load on treatment plant increases. The stormwater is unnecessarily polluted. As the both stormwater and sewage are collected in a single sewer, so the stormwater or the rainwater is also polluted here. Then it proves uneconomical when pumping is required for lifting of sewage. So these are main disadvantages of this combined system. Then last one, number 3, partially separate system. Sometimes the domestic sewage coming out from the residences or institutions is allowed to be admitted into the drains. The resulting system is called a partially separate system. In this system, the arrangement is made to permit early washing by rain into sewer carrying sewage. But when the quantity of stormwater exceeds a particular limit, it is collected and conveyed in open track to river. So this is the figure for partially separate system. These are the stormwater which are collected and drained directly, but here the rooftop or roof drain or the stormwater from the roof are collected, and the sewage from the home or from different sources are mixed here. So this is the partially separate, not fully separate, partially separate, as this stormwater from roof is mixed with this sewer line, and finally they go to this or disposed to the treatment plant. If overflow happen for in heavy rainfall, then again these are directly disposed to the nearer river. Advantages: the entry of stormwater avoids sitting in river. Disposing of stormwater from houses is very much simple. The sewer is reasonable or small in size. Then some disadvantages: the velocity of flow is low in dry weather. The quantity of stormwater in sewer may increase the load on treatment unit. Then difference between separate system and combined system of sewerage. Here some major difference between separate system and combined system. Number 1, the quantity of sewage to be treated is less because no treatment of stormwater is done in separate system. Again in combined system, as the treatments of both are done, that means both the stormwater and sewage, so the treatment is costly. Number 2, in the cities of more rainfall, this system is more suitable. In the cities of less rainfall, this system is suitable. Number 3, as 2 sets of sewer lines are to laid, this system is cheaper because sewage is carried in underground sewers and storm. Here, overall construction cost is higher than separate system. Number 4, in narrow streets, it is difficult to use this system. It is more suitable in narrow streets. Number 5, less degree of sanitation is achieved in this system as stormwater is disposed without any treatment. Here higher degree of citation is achieved in this system. So these are the basic difference between separate system and combined system. So here are some considerations for the type of system, different types of system, which we will discuss in next lecture. Thank you.